Deo? Ano siya? Ah, oh wow. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another haul para sa inyong lahat. Papakita ko sa inyo mostly na na-receive ko this time mga pampaputi. May mga pampaputi ng kilikili, may whitening lotion, like, yeah, hindi lahat pampaputi, pero most of them pampaputi. I'm gonna start with the package that I received today. So, ngayon ko lang siya na-receive. Galing pa kami sa City ni Mark, tapos nag-text sa akin yung LBC. Pick up, ma'am. So, yeah! Galing siya sa Beaublends PH. Ililive ko yung link nila below, you guys. Yeah, so available tong mga product na to sa Lazada at saka sa Zalora. So, they sent me 2 boxes. And sobrang ganda ng packaging nila. Meron pa nga tong kasamang, ribbon kanina na gold here. Tinanggal ko na because obviously I already opened it. But yeah, it looks like that. And then when you open it, sobrang ganda. You guys know me and my gold. Tapos meron pa siyang pink na mga worms dyan. So, they sent me the Beaublends Glutablend Whitening. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Beaublends. Ito, meron siyang sunscreen all-in-one. Yeah, it's a lotion. And you guys, if you guys have been watching me for a while, alam nyo na nag-apply ako ng lotion araw-araw. Ooh, pinkish yung niya, color ng lotion niya. It looks white on camera. Everything looks white on camera, like my face looks white. Pero you guys, under natural lighting, okay naman yung match naman yung mukha ko sa leeg ko. It's just, I do not know with my lighting right now. Like, nag-add na ako ng yellow, pero, yeah, like this one. It looks white on camera, pero it is pink. Right there. Oh, there you go. You can see that. Pink yung loob niya. Ang bango niya. Ooh, I like it. I like that it has a pump as well. So sosyalin ng packaging, pink at saka gold. And then they sent me the Glutablend Whitening with sunscreen all-in-one day cream. Ooh, sunscreen day cream siya. Looks like that. I like na merong pump yung mga packaging nila. Super convenient. Oh, lahat pala to made in the Philippines. So, diba? Proudly gawang Pinoy. And inamoy na talaga before sinabi. This is the signature Rosy Gluta with the Rosehip. Ganyan itsura niya. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. Sobrang na-impress ako sa packaging nila. The actual soap looks like that. Pink, tapos may pagka-marble effect, pink and white. I like it. Mabango siya. And then the second box, nandito yung pampaputi ng leki-leki, you guys. Okay, this one. Ooh, I like the packaging. Ito lahat gold. Kasi yung iba pink at saka gold. Oh my gosh, I like the packaging. This is the Advanced White Kojic and Licorice Underarm Whitening. Parang alcohol yung amoy niya. Anong gagawin ko? Ganito yung niya eh. Yung, anong tawag dun? Packaging niya. Akala ko kasi rollerball. Paano to i-apply? Ah, gagamit ka pala ng cotton pad. Lalagay mo siya sa iyong kilikili. And then next one is the Advanced White Underarm and Inguinal Whitening. You guys, Inguinal, yung mga mo dyan. Singit? Singit ba Tagalog nun? Yeah, yung bugan. Bugan! Mga kigol-kigol dyan, mga bugan-bugan dyan. Yeah, dun. Yeah, whitening cream siya para doon, you guys. After morning shower, apply a pea-sized amount on dry underarm. Gagamitin ko to. Sa aking there. This one is the Whitening Age Defying Moisture Boost. So, ang ganda ng packaging. Gusto ko na yung meron silang marble effect. I like it. This is blue and white. Meron siyang bioplacenta and amplifying stem cell. Hala, may placenta na, may stem cell pa. Bongga. And yun na yung lahat from Beaublends. Thank you so much for sending that. And thank you also so much for the very sweet letter. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, pahinga muna tayo sa pampaputi because I have some accessories in here. Meron pang mga pampaputi. Papakita ko mamaya. Pero I got a package from House of Chokers. Ililive ko din yung link nila below. They sent me 2 chokers. Hala, sana sinuot ko tong isa. Parang nasuot ko ata to sa vlog ko. Anyway, it looks like this, you guys. Ano siya? Gold at saka black. And ang maganda dito sa choker na to, reversible siya. So, pwede yan, ganyan. And then, pwede din dito. I like this side better. And yeah, uy, parang uod tingnan sa camera. Another gold one, pero para siyang like, parang bronzy na gold. Pero yeah, gaya itsura niya. This one I like as well. So yeah, wala kasi akong gold. Meron ba akong gold? Wala. Parang ito yung mga gold na chokers ko. Ito, parang tela lang siya ha. Hindi siya kagaya nito na ano talaga, like metal. Parang, basta, hindi siya tela. Ito, tela. Thank you, sis, for sending those. And then, I got a package from Brian_stuff on Instagram. You guys, siya yung nag-send sa akin ng passport holder na malaki na pwede mo nang paglagyan ng boarding pass. Lagi ko yung nadala when I travel kasi it's very convenient. Like, nalalagay ko lahat ng documents ko in one. She sent me those. And she sent me more stuff. So, the first one, hala, sana pala ito yung ginamit kong bag kanina. Umalis kami kanina eh. Yung ginamit ko yung ano lang, usual backpack ko. She sent me this really cute small backpack. Like, look how cute, you guys. Ang liit talaga niya, oh. And, ang maganda din dito, pwede mo siyang i-backpack. Tapos, pwede din na, like, ito lang. Isang strap lang. Ito yung strap niya, oh. Ang gulo-gulo na. Pero you guys know what I mean. So, yeah, that's that. I can't wait to use that. Gagamitin ko yan sa susunod na kabanata ng aking buhay. Next is this KitKat na pouch. Marami siyang mga iba-ibang klase. Like, merong iba-ibang klase ng chocolate. Parang pinapili niya ako and KitKat yung pinili ko kasi like sa lahat doon, parang KitKat lang yung like okay lang, kinakain ko yung KitKat. Kasi meron siyang wafer, hindi siya like all the way chocolate lang. In-explain ko talaga kung bakit KitKat. Anyway, ganyan yung ano niya, oh. Maganda din to kasi malaki siya. Pero you guys, marami pa doon. I will again leave the link below para ma-check nyo. And meron din siyang strap. Yes. And then the last one is this really cute coin purse. You guys, meron ako nung mint green and yeah, ngayon she gave me the white. Yeah, I know. Hindi pala sila pareho. Kasi yung akin, meron siyang zippered compartment para lagyan ng coins. Tapos, merong like mga lalagyan dito sa gilid na cards. Pero ito, for cards lang. So, I like it. And I like that it's white. Sobrang handy nito. And it's not gonna take like a lot of space in your purse because it's small. I like it. Thank you, sis. And then, I got a package from Finds Manila. You guys, she gave me, you will not believe, KJM lip tints. And you guys have been asking me, kahit nung nasa Australia pa ako, like, ang daming nagme-message, ang dami. Merong mga nagme-message sa akin na i-review ko daw yung mga KJM. So, she sent me, I do not know how many shades. Meron siyang isang shade na hindi na-send kasi hindi available. Pero, look at you guys. I have 3, 6, 9 shades. So, she wasn't able to send me one. So, 10 pala dapat to. Hindi kasi available yung isa. Hindi ko pa sila na-try. And a lot of you guys said na ito yung like holy grail lip tints nyo. So, I cannot wait to try it. Gusto ko sana sabihin na I'm gonna do like swatches video. But like, it's a tint kasi. Like, kapag nag-tint na siya, tapos nag-swatch ko, like, parang hindi makita yung totoong swatch kasi magtitint na yung isa. Tapos, papatungan mo na. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Let me know if you want me to review this. And then you guys, she gave me chokers. She gave me 2 chokers. Asa na yung isa? No, not 2, 3. She gave me 3 chokers. Wait. Okay. So, she gave me this one. Hala, sana pala ito yung sinuot ko. Black, parang string lang. Tapos, meron siyang leaf na design. And maganda siya kasi gold siya. Tapos, ito, black din na string. Tapos, meron siyang, ito parang flower yung design niya. Can you guys see that? Yes. Sorry sa aking nail. Naputol siya kanina when I was driving. Meron pa siyang sinend sa akin na isang choker. Nasaan na yun? Bakit hindi ko makita? Yun, gusto ko yun. Nasuot ko na nga yun eh. Silver siya. Tapos, meron siyang mga hoops dito. I will wear it in one of my videos, you guys, kasi I do not know kung nasaan na yun. And then, she's so sweet kasi she sent me this. She watches my videos, which I like it when people send me stuff, watches my videos, kasi like, alam nila kung ano yung mga ganap. So, I really appreciate it, sis. Alam niya na mahilig ako sa mga pineapple na prints. So, she sent me this, a bag. And yeah, it's so cute, you guys. Meron siyang mga pineapple. Iba-iba yung print ng pineapple, oh. Pero it's a pineapple. It's so cute. I like it. Thank you, sis. Sobrang thank you. Beauty Hub PH. Binigyan niya ako ng mga pampaputi ng kilikili din. Nagpapaputi ng mga balat-balat. Ganun. So, the first one she sent me, actually, I received 2 packages from her. Kasi yung unang package, nung tinrack niya, nawala daw nung LBC. Pero natanggap ko siya. Yung natanggap ko na na-vlog ko na natapon yung scrub, yun. And then few days later, naka-receive ako ng new package na naman. So, hindi siya nawala. Na-receive ko siya. What? Pero, nung tinrack niya, sabi ng LBC nawala daw. Pero, yeah, meron akong mga extra dito na actually, I will give away to one of you guys. Kasi nga, ano naman gagawin ko? Ang dami, diba? Pasensya na sis sa inconvenience. Charot, my God, nun. Parang LBC lang. Anyway, the Diamond Whitening Lotion. Meron siyang SPF 30. Are you gonna focus or what? But yeah, it looks like that. Lotion din siya. Ay, perfect! Ano? Gagamitin ko to. Lotion. Allure lotion. Okay, next one is the Diamond Bleaching Scrub. Bleaching Scrub. Whitening and exfoliating. Gaano ka ba nito? Parang namamalat-malat? Kasi bleaching scrub eh. Tapos exfoliating. Anyway, looks like that. Pareho lang siya nung isa. And yeah, ito try ko din to you guys kasi alam nyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa mga scrub. Pero ginagamit ko pa rin yung scrub from NYX Essentials. Naubos ko na yung coffee. Tatlo na lang yung natara. Yung ginagamit ko ngayon is yung strawberry at saka yung milk. Like, paano sila, alternate sila. Next one is the Arbutin Skin Bright Scrub with collagen. Looks like that. I like the packaging. Sabi dito, a healthy, glowing skin. This rich face and body scrub is made with premium ingredients that effectively lightens skin and removes wrinkles. And then there's more. Oh, ito yung, ooh, she sent me the premium castor seed oil. Para sa ano ba to? Oh, hair growth. Treats dandruff. Hala, treats dandruff. Wala akong dandruff. Walang nakakatagal na kung ano-ano sa buhok ko. Kasi parang sabi nila, wala ka namang buhok. Hindi ako nagkakakuto. Kasi hindi sila mabubuhay sa ulo ko kasi wala akong buhok. Yeah, okay na okay siya. Wala siyang kuto, wala siyang dandruff, pero sobrang nipis. And then, ooh, sabi dito, it thickens the hair. I will try that. Conditions the hair. So it is a hair product pala. Ooh, I will use that, you guys. We'll see. She sent me the Crystal Infinity UA Derm. Underarm Derm. Skin lightening, skin renewal, minimize chicken skin, minimize unwanted hair. Spray siya. Ooh, perfect. Wait, paano ba ito gamitin? Spray an ample amount to your underarm every bath. Ooh, every bath? Every bath. Hindi naman sinabi every after bath. Every bath? Like during bath? I'm not sure. And then she sent me the BB blush. Brush 3 strokes on the apple of your cheek and blend quickly with fingertips. Oh, she sent me the taffy pink and then the scarlet red. Di ako mahilig sa mga ganito eh, sa cheeks ko kasi di siya nagiging even. Pero, ooh, actually, that doesn't look bad at all. Ay, maganda siya, you guys. So that's scarlet red, taffy pink. Ooh, pink! Nice! 3 strokes, tapos blend. See, yan yung sinasabi ko eh. Hindi siya even nagbe-blend. So, okay, yun na yun lahat. Okay, so giveaway time, you guys. One of you will win the Arbutin Skin Bright Scrub with collagen. And then, yung Diamond Whitening Lotion. UA Derm. Kasi yung ito, sa ibang package, natapon siya. Nag-crack yung dito niya. So, tinapon ko na lang siya. And gusto ko siyang itry. So, akin na muna siya. Akin na muna siya. I will be giving away this as well. Meron talaga siyang ano, basa. Kunin ko lang siya sa package ha. Kasi naano to eh, nasali to dun sa natapon na scrub. And you guys will receive this. I got this from Pretty Angel Shop. And then ito din. And tatanggalin ko na din to sa packaging kasi again, ano, natapunan siya ng scrub. And medyo sticky siya. Kasi alam niyo naman, gamit ko backpack. Like, wala akong dala na handbag dito. And yung mga ganun para handbag, diba? And then, I will be giving away this hair velcro as well. And then, mga masks. So, one of you guys will receive ito eye patch, and then I will be including as well the eye white whitening pack peel off mask, 2 sachets, and then the BB Holic, the beige, and the light, tig-isa. And that is everything for the giveaway. I will leave the link below for the information on how you can join. Again, open siya sa Philippines lang. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! And amplifying. Oops, mali. Marami pa papatoy. And then,